Students, hope you are well at your home. In case of COVID-19, our classes are not going on in school. As a part of lesson, we are taking your class in visual system. We have discussed earlier that chapter 1, 2, 3 in physics. Now I am starting new lesson. Chapter 4 means work, power and energy. There is three words: work, power and energy in that chapter. I am discussing now what is the work and the function of work. In general, ability to do anything is called work. In terms of physics, that is not called work. Such as a security guard guarding a house all day long, sitting on a tool. He may think that he is done a lot of work, but in words of physics, that is not any work. In terms of physics, the definition of work is very well. If a force F is applied on any object, the object is traverse distance s during application of force. Then amount of work done is W. Now I am discussing the definition of work by drawing figure. Let us consider a body is field. If a force is applied on that body, the body will be traverse a distance s. At that time, we can write W is equal to F dot S. That means work is equal to force into distance. If force is not applied while traversing distance s, so there is no work done. That means W is equal to 0 dot S, then we get W is equal to 0. That means we are clear that to do work, force is mandatory. If the application of force is 0, then work done will be 0. Now we are going to discuss unit of work. Unit of work is joule. Dimension of work is we know W equal to F dot S. Then we can write the dimension of F, that means force, is equal to MLT inverse 2, and S, dimension of S is the displacement, then we can write instead of S is L, then ML square T inverse 2. Finally, the dimension of work is equal to, we can write ML square T inverse 2. Now we are going to see work done is positive or negative. Suppose a moving object, suppose a moving object is coming towards you. You try to stop the object by applying force F. The object pushes you backward by a distance s. Let us consider a body is coming towards you. At that time you apply force on that body for stopping that object. At that time W is equal to U equal F into minus S. That means minus Fs. That means work done is negative. Work done is negative. On the other hand, if displacement is taken positive way, then work done will be positive. Dear students, I think you have understood which lesson discussed today. I will give you some question about that lesson as an HW. You will submit those answer of those question in group ID. Thank you.